Hi, this is Jonathan at Brubaker Chrysler Jeep introducing our newest arrival to the lot, the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Hybrid. This vehicle is very well equipped with a lot of luxury features including heated leather seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, power liftgate, 10.1-inch media screen, power sliding doors, and more. It also does have quite a few safety features as well, with the backup camera, the blind spot, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward mitigation as well. Great vehicle to have for your family. It gets 82 miles per gallon equivalent. So certainly come down, check it out, and take advantage of the $7,500 federal tax credit that is still available. And also, once again, when you think Chrysler, think Brubaker.